What's up, everybody? I got me a drone, and today I took her out for a spin. We are here at Crabtree Park, right in the middle of Arden Manor, the neighborhood where I live in. So let's put her in the sky and let's see what this park has to offer. So right off the bat, you see the two basketball courts there, and then we have the two tennis courts there on the right, immediately next to it. And right next to the tennis courts is a nice little playground. And you see that little structure there where you can host barbecues. Just a small gathering. I think there was about 2 benches there. And here's the open field. Nothing much to it, just a big baseball diamond that doesn't look too much like a diamond. You can see the concession stands right behind the backstop, a couple bleachers, your usual community baseball field. The grass is not so well maintained. So let's go back to where we were. There's actually another playground. You can see there on the right side, there's a sandbox. I didn't go too close to that playground because there was a family there, but here, the one on the right, on the other side of the tennis courts, there was a playground here, a little bit bigger, looks like for older children. And here we are back to where we started. This is the basketball court. It looks like it's missing a rim or two. And yeah, that's about it. First time taking her out on a spin. If there are any parks that you want to explore, let me know. My name is Nicar. I'm a realtor and loan officer, and I'm here to help.